is the opposite of... Oh, no, I get it. Okay.
Just VOD mute the audio. Oh my God, we'll play 50 Cent and then I'll just pop off. No, I'm only kidding. In one foul swoop, I don't think I ever want to go to court. What the fuck is the... I don't understand. Why would you ever... Like, what is the point? How do you RP this?
The BCSO would be in the room.
Fucking what the... Well, I don't know what the fuck I'm hearing. I am so bewildered right now. There is no way.
I don't know. Maybe the targeted, you know, prosecution towards my entire mayorship and everything I do. Maybe, you know, if I had common sense, I'd probably be like, hey, if I had something, we should probably give it to somebody else to do. But I'll just bring it up.
I'm actually bewildered. What just happened?
Alrighty, Carl.
Yeah.
You've been a bit late. You've had a little bit of a turbulent journey.
Yeah, I took my time because fuck everyone.
All right, fair enough. I'm going to assume then you don't need any, last minute prep time or anything.
Nope. I don't even know. I didn't even read the docket posting.
All right. Well, howdy everyone in the room. I am DasMEHDI. Today we're here.
Oh, he's self-representing. Oh, dude, he's gonna crash out. I think he's planning to crash out here.
I'm going to go ahead and read the docket filing that Mr.
I mean, there's no way he's going to win this case.
So, on the 2nd of January, 2025, then Blaine County Mayor Kyle Pred transferred $13 million from the Blaine County Authority bank account to his personal bank account with the following message. Kyle Pred presents Space Defense Force is to be initiated. Space, comma, space. We have to protect ourselves from threats, space, comma, space, foreign, domestic, and even alien. We need to prepare for the worst, and we need to train the troops to fight the oncoming threat of what could be out there. Starting first with the jetpack division. Kyle Pred signs off on the purchase of a jetpack for Kyle Pred to use. Roughly 5 minutes after Mr. Kyle Pred transferred $13 million to his personal bank account from the Blaine County Authority bank account, he purchased a jetpack from LSIA for $11 million. Since the day of purchase, no Space Defense Force has been established via legislation or any governmental means. Sorry, no, I did say that correctly. Governmental means. On January 20th, 2025, Mumbles Fumbles was officially elected mayor.
How do I sit here in this court case and assume this is in a predetermined court case? Even though I think he's probably going to be found guilty, why would I sit here and think, I don't know, I'm just sitting here, I'm like, it's probably already determined. What the fuck? I don't know what to say.
Contacted by Blaine County officials repeatedly.
What are you going to do? Because the entire judiciary is
back to Blaine County custody. However, the jetpack remains in his name. Also concerning is the fact, according to Mr. Pred's own bank account history, he only spent $11 million, tax included, on the purchase of the jetpack, meaning he is still in possession of another $2 million of Blaine County funds from the original $13 million transfer.
I'm thinking of walking outside and seeing if we can get them all mowed down right now.
A breather, this is quite long. The original
There's too many cops here, though. Actually, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Mayor's Office Protocols and Procedures legislation, most notably the Accountability Clause. The Blaine County Mayor's Office and Blaine County Sheriff's Office are requesting that the San Andreas Department of Justice view all the provided evidence, and if agreed...
Time out.
Yep.
Yeah, I want to have that part stricken because it's outside of statute of limitations. I don't think we should be even acknowledging that portion anymore. It's been a long time since that happened. That's definitely outside of the statute for sure.
What bit, Kyle? The legislation's existence, or
no, the part where they said, I took the money out.
You did.
Yeah, more than 30 days ago.
You're not being charged with a crime.
Why am I here?
They wish to seize your assets. Now I'm giving you a chance in the form of a hearing to say why you should be able to keep your jetpack.
100%. I got this.
Okay. All right. So where was I? Requesting the San Andreas Department of Justice to review the provided evidence. and if agreed upon, immediately take the necessary steps to
Dude, I love how Pred came here,
just
just like
being legitimately in the possession of Mr. Pred and return them to the custody of Blaine County. This includes the jetpack and outstanding Blaine County funds that went unused during the purchase of the jetpack, despite Mr. Pred's own declaration that they would be used. Signed, Blaine County Mayors and Blaine County Sheriff's Offices, respectively. Okay, so this is more of a hearing than it will be a court case. We're not going to have back and forth, witness testimony, or any of that. I think most of this can be decided with simple oral arguments, and then myself going away and reviewing the evidence on the docket. As I said, I like to come into these with a blank slate. I don't
Wait,
have
is that even a
any
thing?
preconceived notions
Tony, look it up.
on, you know, ideas in my head or
I'm
anything
looking
of
as
the
well.
such to bias me one way or another. I'm going to hear arguments here today. I'm going to go away and review the evidence and have a verdict on the docket at the end of this case within probably 24 hours.
I demand a trial.
You want a full trial on the seizure of your assets?
Yeah, I demand a full trial. I have my rights. I demand that we do a full trial about this after this hearing. At a later scheduled date.
Okay, let's do the hearing, and then I'll review and see if it's worth taking to trial. It could be, Mr. Pred, that it could be found in your favor and will not even be required in the first place.
Hey.
Well, if it's found in my favor, then I don't want to take it to trial. But if it's found not in my favor, then I demand a trial.
And you expect that you're going to be bringing it to the state.
But today, in this room,
I'm going to get him to appeal to the estate.
Seizure, why not seizure?
Those guys in the BCSO do oral on each other all the time. I saw them. They told me not to say anything about it, Your Honor.
Hey, they're free to do so. I don't think we have anything prohibiting them. If anything, they're probably more warmed up than you at this point, Kyle.
I'm pretty warm. I'm always warm. I'm warm-blooded.
Okay, Dakota, is there anyone from the mayor's office here, or is it just going to be yourself today?
No, it'll just be me.
Okay, in that case, when you're
retrial, rehearing. The mayor has to be here. Rehearing.
Tony.
Sam here.
Rehearing.
Oh, perfect. We got a deputy mayor right here.
You gotta represent this guy. You gotta represent this guy.
I'm sorry.
You will be.
Wait, this is a...
All right, Dakota, yeah, if you can go ahead.
Oh,
Tony,
shit.
come here.
Yeah, there you go.
Tony, is that you?
Yep, notice of entry. Tony Long coming in.
We're entering lawyers
My
after
dog.
this started?
You
I
saying he
believe
doesn't
that
have
was
a right to legal representation?
I'm saying that the justice already asked him to have someone enter on his behalf on the docket.
Multiple times.
I didn't read it.
I think it's fair to say he also didn't read it. Tony, I don't think there's going to be much for you to do. I'm going to be honest.
There's tons. It's Tony. Tony can. There's tons to do.
Okay, Dakota, if you can just give me your argument, let's get this show moving. We're already
I'll
30
state
minutes
facts. Yeah, hold on.
Did this start?
Yeah. We have the mayor's office protocols and legislation that states that he needs a treasurer in order to obtain
Yeah, I
purchases
don't need to
that he
follow
makes.
that.
It also I know you think that. It also
No, I
states
didn't have
that
to. It was ruled in court. So that's
okay.
So there's the facts. Is that I didn't have to follow that.
Okay, Kyle, you're gonna have your chance to.
Well, I mean,
to say
I
your piece.
think. I hate to interrupt, and I hate to be a bitch about it, but we already had this discussion in court months ago, and it was found in my favor that I didn't have to follow any of that shit.
Okay, so.
By the governor.
Okay, so the reason.
I'll wake him up.
we know you will.
The reason
get
I'm
him out of
allowing you
bed.
to have your say here after Nakoda is so you can present any arguments like that to anything that comes up during his, his statement of what he believes is the facts. So you'll have your chance to rebut. You'll have your chance to dispute anything that's presented today. All I ask is you give him the courtesy to at least.
Oh my
get
god! Oh my
his
god!
piece through.
You know what, Honor? For you, I'll allow it.
And thank you, Brett.
Yeah, we have legislative protocols on how the mayor spends money, and by his own declaration in the transfer to his personal bank account of $13 million, he signed off on his own transfer. He stated that the
Yeah,
$13 million was
we
for
already
the jetpack
this
that
has
only
already
cost
been
$11 million,
sorted.
which means there's $2 million just floating around in his bank account. He never transferred the jetpack back to Mumbles, who's the acting mayor once he
Fuck
was
Mumbles.
no longer mayor. Okay. He previously did transfer a warehouse to Mumbles, though, which I believe was
Yeah, I
also
gave it to
purchased with
him.
Blaine County funds. So I'm confused as to
Wait.
why the warehouse was transferred.
How's this
but
guy
not the
like 4
jetpack.
months behind on that evidence?
I think this guy's living under a rock. I don't know.
I mean, I'll keep it very short. $13 million transfer from the Blaine County
Short.
Authority account back to $13 million transfer to his own personal bank account that he then purchased something with the funds from Blaine County. That jetpack belongs to Blaine County as it was purchased with those funds. And the outstanding $2 million is still in his bank account. So we would like that money back.
Objection, bullshit.
Not an objection, but Nakoda, I assume you're finished then.
Yeah, no, this is not
Alright.
complicated.
To you, it might
Okay. All right.
be. Hey, Your Honor. How you
Yeah,
doing?
unless you have any objections to Nakoda, I'm going to go over to Tony and
Oh, no,
Jack.
I'm looking forward to this portion.
Okay.
Perfect. I think me and Tony will... You know what? We'll double team this. All right, tag team, Tony? Tag team it up?
Yep.
All right,
Do the
all right,
dynamic
all right.
duo
All right,
special.
Tag me in. Tag me in.
All right,
Tag me
you
in. Come on, big
Royal
dog.
Rumble.
All right. All right, so... All right, anywho. What we have here
Why
is
are
a
you so
serious
angry?
quandary, a conundrum, a dilemma. The dilemma is, I took that money out more than 30 days ago. That's way outside of the statute of limitations. So we can argue blah, 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 right? Or we can just focus on what the real argument is here. All right, me being spite fucked by that goddamn clown that I lifted up. And now, you want to know something? I took that clown and instead of throwing him in jail, I gave him power. And you know what that turncoat motherfucker did to me? Turned his back on me and didn't even read my emails or try and get back to me. I'm back to being racist towards clowns again. And you know what? Fuck mimes too.
Friend, not Claudia. Friend, not
Get
Claudia,
the fuck
please.
out of my face. I'll beat you to death in this courtroom.
Friend, not
Yeah,
Claudia.
keep
not
moving forward. See what
Friend, not
happens.
Claudia. Hey,
Keep moving. She's threatening me.
No. It's okay. It's okay.
I'll murder
She's
this
a good
clown
one.
in
She's a good one.
self-defense.
One of the good ones, Rick. Come on.
All right, so look, there's a lot of arguments that could be made here. Like, you know, what Nakoda did was he made a very valid point. And that point
Wait.
probably would have been really good to hear,
Wait,
I don't
is-
know, about 4 months ago. But we already had a discussion about the whole thing about how I don't really have to follow it. It's kind of just there. So I didn't follow it because I don't need to. All right, and I'm pretty sure I removed that shit. I'm like 100% sure I removed that shit.
Mm.
All right, and this whole thing took place more than 30 days ago. I feel like
He did
that
remove it.
money's long gone, Your Honor, and the jetpack at this point. That was no mayoral jetpack. That was for the space division, at which I'm not even the sole member of. I got a true red-blooded Republican in that group, and I'm pretty sure Carmine's a part of it too. All right, they're my space monkeys, sir. Your Honor, they're my space monkeys. All right, hold on. There was some other points I was trying to make, but I kind of veered off the path a little bit. One second. I got to read this shit. Where's my phone? Do they take your phones now?
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Oh, wait, no, you
Yeah,
should have it. Never
batteries.
mind.
Yeah, battery's dead. Well, would you look at that? Did anyone have is there a fax machine?
Not in the room, no. Maybe one of the offices.
Fuck you, you
but-
stupid mime.
Fred, no, not Claudia. Come on, not Claudia.
You need a phone?
No, I don't need a phone. I'm afraid if I have anything in my pockets, I'm gonna lose
You give
everything.
that to me.
Fuck this phone! Ugh.
Oh, I needed that.
It's on the floor.
On the ground, right next to you.
Ugh.
That was a good phone.
Oh, wait, what?
That
Oh,
was
wait,
pretty
that was
It
a
the
good
same
phone.
one.
You threw the good one.
Uh-oh.
Oh. All right, so look. The Kyle Pred space program is wait, what did I say the name of it was again?
Space
Which one?
Force?
What was it called? Your Honor, what was the name of the space program that I created?
It was the Space Defense Force.
Yeah, the Space Defense Force. It's a joint operation. All right, I mean, I don't know how to tell you guys this, but I'm a secret agent. The information's out now.
Oh my god.
00 Pred.
Emilio?
And
You
it's a
never got
joint
fired from the bar?
operation with Canada? A joint operation with the UN. That's what it is. A joint operation. That sounds right. Yeah, that sounds better. It's a joint operation with the UN. Now, the reason why there was no legislation brought forward for the Space Force, it's simple. It exists, but it doesn't exist. There's lives at stake here. Do you know how many aliens there are? I want you to take how many aliens you saw in Men in Black and then at least double or even triple that amount.
I'm sorry. For the court, my parents don't allow me to watch films. Can I get like a representative number of
What
of
the
where that would be?
fuck?
What?
All right, well, there's the bad guy that has the loose skin,
Mm-hmm.
and he's like, sugar, 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 sugar. And then there's the little tiny ones that are inside of the man machines. And then there's like
Cockroaches
some
in the
space
break room.
squids.
Break room,
Yeah,
the
there's- Yeah,
cockroaches.
the little cockroach. Yeah, there's little cockroaches in the break room. I mean, so we got a good head count on what would you say, Dakota? 6, 7?
And if we doubled
think
it,
I'm
we're at
com-
like 15 to 20
No,
maybe?
well, we're gonna have to triple it. We're gonna have to triple it. Yeah,
All
yeah.
right,
More
25
like
to
triple
30.
that.
25 to 30.
Yeah, so yeah, we got that. That's how many aliens there are. And it's my job to keep these sons of bitches in line. All right, now that I've stalled long enough, Tony should have really came up with something. All right, here you go, buddy. Tagged in. Knock him dead.
Oh shit. Okay. Hey, Your Honor. So pretty much the only thing I could pretty much look at on the case so far is that there's been legislation that's been pulled up that, I mean, I think Dakota kind of proved it. It's unconstitutional to begin with the accountability clause. The fact that the Constitution dictates that the mayor has full purview of the state, Blaine County account, and that there's legislation
that
limiting his
shit.
access. Inherently, that legislation is unconstitutional. So I think the only thing that's been proven so far with that is that that legislation should be yoinked out of the books.
Wait, it already did.
Let's see. Moving forward from
Yeah, it did, didn't it?
there,
That was one of the things that came up.
Again, the mayor has full purview of the Blaine County accounts. One second, Your Honor.
And I spent that shit. What'd you say?
Should I ult right now?
Honestly, all right, ult. Yeah, I do.
BCSO really
Yeah,
needs
ult.
money, huh?
Yeah, ult.
Also, I'm ulting. I'd also like to motion for a dismissal with
Chaos!
exactly because I'm also motioning for dismissal of prejudice regarding this entire thing because
This isn't
of
a
the fact
court
that,
case.
well, the thing is, the
It's a
person
hearing.
presiding
What?
over this
You-
conflicted,
you can still
for
dismiss
this
it.
entire case. I
Really?
can still dismiss it. Yeah. We still have the civil case against the entirety of the DOJ for what you guys did against them during the criminal proceedings.
I've been hurt by this.
And the fact that this is again about his what his mayorship is about again and the powers used under his purview.
PTSD.
And it should be dismissed with prejudice because what was it? yet you saw him say 5, no 4 justices are in here.
What?
That's
Yeah.
the most I've ever seen in my life.
Yeah. And to be fair, the BCSO is kind of, they probably shouldn't be pressing anything against me either with
Wait.
how they've been
Okay, that
involved
one is a
single-handedly with
stretch.
every. Well, I mean, they have been heavy-handed, and we have the information that they were heavy-handed in a lot of things, you know, alongside a lot of the justices that, you know, stopped me from being able to perform my mayoral duties and levying charges against me, you know, publicly that slandered my name. And I'll never see justice.
That is actually a really good argument because
justice
why the
for
fuck
justice
are
for
all the
bread.
justices
Justice for
sitting
bread.
in?
Put the court
Justice for
into
bread.
A quick 5-minute recess while I confer with Grayson, Weiss, and Falconer.
Wait, hey,
Basically no deliberation.
Tony,
That's good,
Fred,
that's good.
come over here real
Just so
quick.
you know, I'm still planning to. I'm gonna become mayor and get you a jetpack.
I'm going to kill Mumbles,
Hi.
but not you.
Okay.
I like you. I'm going to kill Mumbles, though.
Hey,
All right.
That's
and
one dead
I
fucking
didn't
clown.
put they asked for our messages as
Princess,
evidence
please,
against
please,
you.
I need to
didn't.
chat with him. All right. A couple things. Do you want this jetpack, or do you not give a fuck? Or do you want to fuck him
I
over?
only want the jetpack because fuck them.
Okay. All those justices, I just witnessed them literally conflicting themselves on some active court case in regards to charges that they believe do not need to be levied. They do not agree with it. They do not need to be at this trial. They're actively conflicting. Take a photo of them. This is further evidence for the case against the state. In the event this doesn't go your way, appeal it. Appeal
I
it
think Tony
directly
owned it.
and motion for an injunction on any decision that may come out of this. Right? Because they may try to take it right away. You get an injunction going. And given the fact that you've already got charges levied against them that would need to be heard by the state, this falls onto it. The injunction would need to be ruled by them as well. So.
Yeah, I parked it right outside just in case I got a jet.
Tony, you good to get evidence there? It's good.
Yeah.
I think we're going to win.
Next thing, they just in case, because I know you know this, Pred, but Tony, you may, in case you don't, like Pred said, it's already been ruled that Treasury shit was bullshit. It's already been ruled.
Yeah, because Tony actually hit the nail on it. It was already said that it was unconstitutional. Therefore,
Yes.
I don't have to follow anything that's unconstitutional.
And not only is it unconstitutional, it was removed.
I'm pretty sure it was, so I don't know why it's still there, because I'm pretty sure that was one of the things that was removed.
Yeah. It should be on the docket.
Did they reinstate
It should be on the
it?
city
We
hall
didn't-
in the closed section.
I can't see it anymore.
Legal to have it because it's a melee weapon.
Wait,
took away
you
my
can't see
keys.
those?
No, they took away. I think they took away extra of my keys.
What was it called?
There was the Blaine County mayor one.
Alternatively, what about golf clubs? They're not melee weapons, but are used as melee weapons, but they can also hit the ball really far, which is a ranged weapon.
Oh, members of the Blaine County positions and their responsibility? The positions and responsibility?
You know how everyone's
Yep.
guns rusted really at the same time a while back?
It was repealed on November 3rd.
Holding out one of those guns just to hit
Oh,
them
and it was
with.
never
Oh, per the SAG letter. Oh yeah, that's what the SAG letter was about.
Is that a melee weapon then? Is it illegal to have?
And
There's
you
been a
wrote,
lot.
I am officially
so long
removing
ago.
this now per the recent SAG letter. This is the second SAG letter that came from the state.
I removed 2 things I thought, or 3.
And then in December, once again, said the deal on the 10th, mind you, the 10th, which is more than 30 days after, well over 30. Arcadia said the DOJ recognizes that this legislation has been repealed by the mayor of Blaine County.
How come it wasn't ever removed?
It is. It's not in there. It's not on the.
Oh.
It's not even in there.
So wait, they're referencing something that doesn't even exist?
I don't think he knows what he's talking about. It hasn't been there for months.
It's Nakota.
Yeah.
He left my
So-
nest too soon.
You can, Tony. Do you see the city hall stuff?
Poor dumb blonde short bastard.
For the legislation they're referencing?
Yes. Do you see it on city hall?
I thought I saw it the other day, but let me double check. Are you talking about like on the government website?
Yeah.
Hey, I'm gonna go outside and fly my jetpack around for a little bit. You guys make the announcement when you want me to come back in.
Kyle, every 2 minutes.
Okay, all right.
At the very least, Osvaldo's been having fun with it.
Oh yeah, Osvaldo, he wouldn't stop emailing me.
Hmm.
Hey, you know something?
What's
I
up?
appreciate you.
I appreciate you too. I don't want you to
Takes a
think
real
that.
friend not to leak my emails, and I really
Oh, yeah.
appreciate that.
I mean, look.
Thanks for
I wasn't gonna
covering
do
for
that
me
anyway, but
and
yeah,
all the
you
slurs
said you
that
were
I
gonna
said.
kill us,
I
but
appreciate it.
Absolutely, don't worry about it. Yeah, I won't
I hope
police
that.
the
How's the
specific
Am I
people
wrong?
who
He's
are
done
so
anything?
bad towards- like as mayor?
Doesn't seem like he's doing anything.
Yeah,
huh?
we've got 8 new properties in Grapeseed, 4 commercial and 4 residential. We're gonna wait.
How
you're
the
gonna
hell
like
were you
this.
guys able to get him, but I wasn't?
I have no idea, but I mean, I wasn't a part of it. But you know what's actually really funny, and I think you'll like. One of the or 2 of the residential properties we're gonna make into frat houses, and one of the frat houses is going to be, we were gonna call it Pi Beta Sigma, PBS.
Oh yeah,
Oh.
yeah. I mean,
So I don't see that in the city
See
hall.
where, you see where I'm
Cool.
going?
Unclosed. Closed section.
See where
Yeah.
I'm going with it though?
I'm going through the
PBS?
closed section, and
Oh.
the oldest one I seen from Pred.
We're gonna
Oh,
give
yeah.
you guys a frat
Yeah.
house.
It's
And make
called
it and then
repeal
frat house
of
for
members
all,
of the
like,
Blaine County
that
Mayor's
dumb
office.
clown never got
It's on
back to
page
me
2.
about anything after I lifted him up,
Oh no,
gave him power,
page 3.
and that son of a bitch left me. So now I'm gonna kill him.
That's
I
a
want you to
different
get-
one.
tell
That was
him-
the one where they
Hey,
used
can
to
you tell
remove
him that I'm gonna
immediately.
fucking kill him and everyone around him.
The one he's
except you?
talking about is
I
for
will let him know.
the
Yep.
what do you
Just
call
know
Tell him
that,
I'm gonna tell him I'm gonna sell the jetpack after I win.
Wait,
this,
I-
wait.
$13 million
What do you
to dedicate
what do you
to
mean?
hunting him down, even when he's not mayor.
The members of the Blaine County reference a treasurer, doesn't it? Yo, congratulations,
Oh, yeah, I'll hunt him
Trav!
down with the jetpack. I know that
Oh,
mime doesn't.
I
that clown doesn't have
mean,
any
that's
guns.
just no. The treasure and everything
I
is
mean,
just
he
for
does have
basically
there's
what
like
you can remove. The
What
people under the mayor's
legislation
office.
are you talking about?
I mean, I know you probably have
I thought we were talking
something
about the
more
one that
than
he's using against Pred
but,
right now.
Yeah, just know that
Which
if
is
you
called-
lose, which I don't think.
Let me
who
get the
knows,
exact
but
name.
If I become mayor, I'm gonna get you another jetpack.
Hey, you
That
know
offer still
something?
stands.
Blaine County Authority account.
Are you
Mayor's
sick?
office protocols and procedures.
Not sick, not sick.
Huh?
I lost my voice. Lots of
It was an
sick,
Andy
yeah,
Jones.
it was one preacher.
I
He's
got you. Been
referencing that
yelling
one.
a
The
lot.
Andy Jones.
Okay, do you see it in
Yeah,
legislation right now?
Been a lot of stupidity going around. And
I'm
that's
so
required a lot of
confused.
yelling. I don't know how you do it.
Hey,
all the time.
listen. I'm good at yelling.
Yeah.
You want to know something? I yell 24/7.
Yes, it's
Oh,
the contradictory one is still
this
there.
one.
I mean, you must have like.
Yeah, that's one he's
I got
using
a
right
powerful
now.
throat.
chords for that. Yeah.
But
Yeah, I sing for a couple days and suddenly I'm.
this
talking,
specific
like,
accountability clause.
This was
contradicts the
already. Oh,
Constitution.
this one was. Yeah. Well, this. It's not even that it. This one's
I don't know, more
already
like a bird.
number 1.
I don't know what.
Hold
bird
on.
is.
Yeah, it was that was more of a bird than a.
Is that what? I mean, you know, like when like toads do their mating
Ribbit.
call, and it's like. That's what they sound like. I don't know. I'm not.
Okay.
Toads. Evil witches. Toads.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay.
Try to
So
pick
number
something
1, this has already been
I'm
ruled
gonna kill you.
vis-a-vis why he was able to maintain the
No, 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 'cause then they'll
property,
try and get you to
right? The
testify.
warehouse that Mumbles has under his name right now.
Okay, yeah.
You, like, came after you
Number
once.
2,
Yep. Effectively too. You know, one of the judges, the elected judges, put out a statement.
what do you call it? The
That said
treasurer was,
much
what's her
less
name, who
legislation
signed off on it?
and They were like, it's okay.
Oh yeah, it's because you were.
Number
When are you
3,
gonna
this
learn?
is about a
My
seizure.
friend is a negative.
Hey,
I think the primary angle that you got to play is that there is an inherent confliction here, as McNee was the signee of the original search warrant, and there is an active lawsuit that is currently pending against the DOJ as per pred. And furthermore, you have this justice is literally sitting here observing something that they don't need to be.
Yeah, I pointed those out.
Right? So yeah, that's the better angle.
Chinese earlier because
Yeah.
I saw the justice.
Alrighty. Sorry for the delay in the recess. So as Mr. Pred has stated, he does currently have a civil suit against the Department of Justice. This was filed on December 5th of 2024. As I was a member of the judiciary at that point, and the San Andreas Department of Justice as a whole is named as a defendant, I will be recusing myself from this after accepting Kyle Pred's motion to take this to a full trial at a later date. We will be having a member of the judiciary enter who was not on the bench at the time of the filing.
They're all sitting right
so we
there.
can
They're all fucking there. They're all
This is why you don't
fucking
fucking
there.
show up. It's fucking insane.
Shortly, we'll get a schedule within the next few days.
Perfect.
All right.
So what
Yo,
does that say about
yo,
the
ask him
justice
if you
that-
can buy his jetpack.
Can't preside
For
over
$1.
it.
See,
Look at
yeah, I'm gonna see if I can buy it from him real
Yeah,
quick.
say it out loud. Say it out loud. Walk
So,
up,
Brad, I'll
walk
buy
up.
your
No,
jetpack
walk
for
up to him and be
$1.
like, hey, can I buy your jetpack for $1?
It gets better every single time. Holy shit. Oh my god. I wish I could. Oh, the look on your face right now.
Buy a jetpack for $1 right now, Brad. Right now.
Oh man. It's like I had 20. It's like I'm 300 steps
Fred,
ahead.
Kyle, can you please stop yelling, please?
Oh, yeah,
Thank
yes.
you.
I apologize. You know,
They're so angry.
even though you have wronged me, I apologize to you.
I mean, to be fair, that
I'm
was
gonna
a
go
good
back to my
ruling.
side now.
That was a good ruling. All right. Well, shit.
Psst, Brad, come here.
Oh, hey, what's up?
Yo, I'll buy it for $1 right now.
No. Don't actually buy it. I wanted you to say it out loud so they overhear and freak out.
No, I'm whisper yelling right now.
Oh,
Yeah.
we'll talk.
Okay, good.
You know
full
something,
trial, huh?
McNee? I always liked you.
I'm gonna warn you, if you sell it, I did say on the docket it's gonna get seized, so don't sell it to this.
Oh, why would I sell it when
Well,
I have 2 million on top?
Just as a concern, McNee, just as out of just pure curiosity, why are all the justices sitting in on this case when they don't A, need to be present, and B, if the ruling that you just made at the end of this, it turned into an appeal or something like that, how are they sitting here then just naturally conflicting themselves?
Sadly, I'm not their handlers, Nino.
You are a sitting justice. You have an opinion.
So are they.
No, that is true, but what have you voiced your concern?
See, justices are like candy bars.
Like, have you voiced this? Because
You're
you're one of the most like knowledgeable
candy
amongst the
bars.
bunch. So you're one of the good ones, you know. Like, you should be fucking chief. You know, be like, listen, you know, you're fucking us right now, right?
Hey, they better not be
You
giving
take
them
that
any
belt and you
advice over
slap
there.
that shit on the thing and be like, listen, I came in here on my day off. You all show up. You could have sat in that appeal, but instead you're sitting over here.
You should be over here with us.
Hello, Benny.
You wanna
Come to
fly
the side of
jetpack?
democracy,
I don't want to
McNee.
fly the jetpack.
Hey,
No.
come on, let's go outside. I'll
It's not,
teach you how to
it's
fly.
not a good look. It's not a good look.
Hey, come on.
That's not a good look. What's over
Hey,
there in the
McNee, let's
corner?
go outside. I'll teach you how to fly the jetpack. Come on.
I don't, you know. I don't. Kyle, I appreciate it, but I really don't want to.
By the way,
I'm not a big
Hey,
hype
come on,
guy.
man.
Separate-
Let's go outside. I'll teach you how to fly the jetpack.
Oh.
That's not the good look. Yes, I agree with the corner thing as well.
Given your ruling that you made just now, that ipso facto means every ruling and motion on the docket would have needed to adhere to the reasons why you recuse
Don't
yourself.
worry, I'm not gonna sell it. I love that jetpack.
So even if you
Part of
made a
my
motion
civic
not to
transport.
sell it, wouldn't you say that motion is inherently conflicted given the ruling you just made in court just now?
I feel like any other judge who enters is going to say the exact same thing. Personally, I would hope so anyway. I'm not going to put words into other people's
Not
mouths.
if what
mean,
if
it-
we get a cool judge that wears Oakleys.
I
Loves
overheard
jetpacks.
your conversation over there. It sounded like you guys were ruling on a court case that's yet to be determined in court. With
The civil case against us?
no, I don't know what you guys were talking about. Apparently, some set of charges that were pressed by the police department about someone.
Oh, I was zoned out for that one. I
Oh, yeah.
got the tail
No,
end
there was
it,
5 of
but-
them discussing an open court case and what the ruling
Hey,
should be.
tell the justices if they make me the chief justice, I'll give the jetpack to Mumbles.
Oh,
I'll
that's
bring it up.
a
Bring it
good
up.
idea.
Tell them.
That's a
yeah,
really
tell them if they
fucking good
make me
idea,
the
to be
chief
honest.
Justice, tell them if they make me the chief justice, that I'll give the jetpack to Mumbles.
Oh, shit.
What about the other 2 million?
And court cases will be dropped.
Well, if they let you keep on alternative, a second option is if they let you keep everything from this case or this seizure, we'll drop the civil case. Call it a
Okay.
day.
I'm not gonna say
That's-
that because it's just.
Hey, look, they're
It's a
all
settlement.
conflicted anyway. We might as well make a back alley deal. Look, hey, you'd enjoy working for me.
The settlement offer is one where I'm not a party to. I can't make an acceptance of the jetpack going to Mumbles, and I can't offer. I can't offer Brett a
Well, I'm
jetpack
gonna go
on
get in
own.
my jetpack and fly back to my apartment. Hey, you guys
Jedi,
have a
can
good
I get a
one.
ride again? Or
Hey, I'll give you a ride. Come on.
whatever. Yeah. All right. Sick.
This time I
Hey.
won't drop you.
Were you going on the jetpack or what?
Of course, I flew it here. That's how I get everywhere.
Not bad.
It's like a bicycle, but it flies. Hey, you know, Nino,
Hey, it's good to see
I
you.
think things are looking pretty good.
No, they're absolute dog shit. But-
Sorry to hear that, buddy.
Yeah.
Things are looking good.
Yeah.
Mayor Nino.
I'm sure it'll be fixed on the
I
fourth turn. Hey,
put
maybe
in
I'll
a
come
good
back.
word for you, by the way. Give it 24 hours.
Say that again.
I said I put in a good word for you. Give it 24 hours.
Oh, did you? Sick.
Um,
I appreciate you.
Yeah,
big
Nino,
time.
all I know is that you're doing good things, man. You know what? You're a better man than me.
you know, I appreciate that, Pred, but you know, listen, I'm gonna be honest. You know, if it wasn't for you, I probably wouldn't have run for the second, and if it wasn't for the DOJ, I wouldn't have ran for the third. So,
Oh yeah, spite
Comparing
fuck.
him to the DOJ?
Wait, did you lose the second
my
term,
goodness.
Pred, or what happened there?
No, I felt that I didn't. My image was destroyed to the point to where I couldn't run. I mean, I wasn't able to do anything because I spent 6
So when
weeks.
the fuck do you care about your image aside from votes and
Well,
everything?
it's important in politics. I wasn't
yeah,
able to
that's fair.
accomplish anything.
And also, don't think that the irony is missed on anyone that you're literally doing to the justices exactly what they did to you during your term.
Hey,
Hey, what if we just
Hey.
I'm
wait
a
and then do
spiteful
this
man.
later?
all right. Hey, Pred, you take care, yeah?
hey, you too, Nino.
This fucking thing is right there.